When you search for wireless backup cameras, everything looks the same. Same claims, same features, and honestly, it can be super confusing. But to really find the best option, you need to look a little deeper. Product number 1, AutoVox Solar Wireless Backup Camera. The AutoVox Solar Wireless Backup Camera with a 5-inch 1080p monitor, priced at $129.99. What caught my attention here is its solar-powered battery and easy installation. If you want a hassle-free backup camera experience, this is worth a serious look. This camera shines with features that specifically tackle your need for convenience. The 2-minute DIY installation means no complicated wiring or drilling, just mount it and go. Plus, the 5,000 mAh battery lasts up to 4 months on a single charge, which means less time fussing with batteries and more time driving. The 1080p resolution ensures you can spot details, like a license plate, even from 30 feet away. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're parking in a tight spot or backing up on a busy street, you'll feel more confident knowing you can see everything clearly. Now, some people complained about the monitor size being a bit small at 5 inches. Here's the thing though, it's still pretty adequate for most drivers, and if you need a larger view, there are other options out there. But for straightforward use, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a quick, no-fuss installation and are looking for a reliable backup camera without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you prefer larger displays for your monitor. Overall, it offers great value for what you're paying. Now, if the screen size of AutoVox bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a larger display. Product number 2, AutoVox Wireless Backup Camera Solar Magnetic. The AutoVox Wireless Backup Camera Solar Magnetic, retailing at $159.99. The unique magnetic installation method caught my eye, allowing for effortless setup. If you want a camera with a big screen and minimal hassle, this one's a solid contender. The 7.2 dual split screen provides an expanded view, effectively eliminating blind spots that can be crucial while towing or maneuvering. The dual antenna design offers a strong signal up to 524 feet, so you won't have to worry about losing your connection while on the move. The 1080p HD resolution and IR night vision ensure clear images day and night, giving you the confidence to back up safely. Here's why this matters. Better visibility means fewer accidents and less stress when you're on the road. However, some users noted that the signal can sometimes lag slightly on long distances. But honestly, for most situations, this won't be a deal breaker, since the overall performance is reliable, especially for those who usually park close. This camera is perfect for you if you often tow trailers or drive larger vehicles and need that expanded view. Skip this if you're looking for something less expensive or don't need such a high-tech installation. It's a worthy investment for the features you get. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one might actually be even better for those on a budget. Product number 3, V-Times Wireless Backup Camera for Trucks. Let's talk about the V-Times Wireless Backup Camera, priced at just $69.99. This one stands out for its affordability without skimping on essential features. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this is definitely worth considering. What's great about this camera is the strong wireless signal that allows for easy installation without any wiring, which can save you a lot of time and hassle. The 7-inch HD monitor offers a clear image, and 120-degree wide-angle view is perfect for keeping an eye on what's behind you. The built-in BSD, blind spot detection, alert can highlight objects in your blind spots, which adds an extra layer of safety. Here's why this matters for you. The combination of affordability and advanced features means you get reliable safety for less. However, some users mentioned that the instructions are not very clear, which could make installation a bit tricky for some. But let's be real, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward and it's still a great value for the features provided. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget or just need a straightforward backup camera for occasional use. Skip this if you prefer a more premium feel or advanced features. It's a great option for the price. Now, if you want something a bit more premium, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, Losudi Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera. We have the Losudi Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera, available for $99.99. The magnetic feature really intrigued me because it makes installation a breeze. If you want a reliable backup camera without all the fuss, this could be a great choice. This system is designed for easy setup, taking only about 3 minutes to get going. The 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery can last over 18 hours, which means you can use it for multiple trips without worrying about charging. The IP68 waterproof rating ensures it can handle any weather conditions. This matters because whether it's raining or snowing, you'll always have a clear view behind you. That said, some users reported issues with the camera disconnecting at times. Here's the thing though, it seems to be rare, and for most users, this isn't a common problem. Just make sure to follow the pairing instructions carefully, and you should be good to go. This is perfect for you if you want a fast setup and don't want to deal with complicated installations. Skip this if you need a camera that can connect over a longer distance reliably. It's a solid deal for what you get. Now, if you're looking for something with even more features, let's check out the final product. Product number 5, VenLuna Dual Wireless Magnetic Backup Camera, which comes in at $189.99. With its dual camera support, this one really caught my eye. If you want comprehensive coverage, this could be exactly what you need. The 7-inch 1080p monitor offers a wide view, and the camera can support up to 4 channels, which means you can monitor multiple angles at once. The solar-powered 15,000 mAh battery ensures you won't run out of power during long trips. The advanced IR night vision feature means you won't have to stress about visibility at night. This is huge, because knowing you can see clearly in low light can make a big difference when backing up. However, some users pointed out that the setup can be a bit complicated. Here's the thing, it's definitely worth it for the features you get, but if you prefer something simpler, this might not be the best fit right away. This camera is perfect for you if you frequently drive larger vehicles or need comprehensive visibility. Skip it if you just want something quick and easy. It's a premium option that's packed with features, making it a worthy investment. So there you have it, 5 fantastic wireless backup cameras to consider. From the hassle-free installation of the AutoVox Solar to the comprehensive features of the VenLuna, there's something here for everyone. Whether you're on a budget or looking for premium options, you can find a camera that fits your needs.